legal world can be tricky, but at ILP Abogados, we make it simple. This video gives you a quick introduction to how dividends are paid out in Spain. Feel free to ask our AI assistant for more information. Here are the 10 rules for paying out dividends in Spain. First, within 3 months after the end of the financial year, the company's management must prepare the yearly accounts, the management report, and a plan for how to use the profits. Second, profits can only be used to pay dividends if the dividends come from the current year's profit or from available reserves. The company must have also set aside money for things required by law and its own rules. By law, 10% of the profit must be put into a legal reserve until it reaches 20% of the company's capital. Third, in limited liability companies, dividends are paid based on how much of the company's capital each person owns. In public limited companies, dividends are paid based on the amount of capital that has been paid in. Fourth, in the agreement to pay dividends, the general meeting will decide when and how the payment will be made. Fifth, the company has up to 12 months from the date the decision was made to pay out the dividends. Sixth, shareholders can receive advance payments on their dividends. Seventh, if dividends or advance payments are made against the law, they must be returned. Eighth, if 5 years have passed since the company was started and no dividends have been paid, a shareholder can leave the company unless the company's rules say something different. Ninth, for a shareholder to leave the company, they must officially record their complaint about not getting enough dividends. The meeting must not have agreed to pay out at least 25% of the previous year's profits that could have been paid. And this is only if the company made a profit in the 3 years before. 10th, a shareholder cannot leave if the total dividends paid out over the last 5 years are equal to 25% of the profits that could legally be paid during that time. Focus your queries and challenge our AI Atenea. Complex questions, expert answers. More information at ilpabogados.com.